In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or fill out a form or document saved in Google Drive. Whether you're working with Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, or need to handle uploaded files like PDFs or Word documents, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, let's talk about editing native Google files like Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Start by visiting Google Drive at drive.google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, be sure to do so when prompted. Once you're in your Drive, you'll need to locate the document you want to edit. Simply look through your files until you find it, then double click to open. Now, if the document opens but is view only, don't worry. You have a couple of options. You can click Request Edit Access if you need to make changes to the original file and want to seek permission. Alternatively, if you want your own copy to freely edit, just click on File in the menu bar followed by Make a Copy. This will save an editable version to your Google Drive. From there, you're ready to start typing or making whatever edits you need. It's that simple with Google's native applications. Next, let's move on to how you edit uploaded files that are not in Google's native format, like PDFs or Word documents. Once you've uploaded the file to your Google Drive, you'll need to convert it for editing. To do this, right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and then select Google Docs for Word documents or PDFs. Google Drive will convert it into an editable Google Doc format, allowing you to make changes just like you would in a regular Google Doc. Now, when dealing with PDFs, specifically those you'd like to fill in, you will have some additional steps. While Google Drive itself doesn't allow direct PDF filling, you can utilize extensions like DocHub or other PDF editor tools that integrate with Drive. These tools will give you the functionality to fill out forms seamlessly. By following these straightforward methods, you'll be able to edit or fill out almost any document stored in your Google Drive, saving time and increasing your productivity. Remember, Google Drive offers a versatile range of tools that really simplify the document management process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.